Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things home decor. Today, we're going to be sharing with you some modern kitchen wall decor ideas that you can use to spice up your cooking space. Whether you're looking to add some personality, color or texture to your kitchen, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Gallery wall. One of the easiest ways to add a personal touch to your kitchen is by creating a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a collection of art, prints, and photographs that are hung together to create a cohesive display. You can choose to use family photos, art prints, or even vintage signs to create a unique gallery wall that reflects your personality. Chalkboard wall. Another great option is to create a chalkboard wall. Chalkboard walls are not only functional but also add a fun element to your kitchen. You can use it to write down grocery lists, menus, or even inspirational quotes. To create a chalkboard wall, all you need is some chalkboard paint and a brush. Open shelving. If you have open shelving in your kitchen, you can use it as an opportunity to add some decorative elements to your space. You can use colorful dishes, vases, and plants to add some color and texture to your kitchen walls. Just be careful not to overdo it, as you don't want your kitchen to look cluttered. Accent wall. An accent wall is another great option if you're looking to add some color or texture to your kitchen walls. You can choose to use wallpaper, paint, or even a unique tile pattern to create a focal point in your kitchen. Just make sure that the color or pattern you choose complements the rest of your kitchen decor. Floating shelves. Floating shelves are a great option for small kitchens as they help to maximize storage space while also adding some decorative elements to your walls. You can use them to store cookbooks, spices, and even plants to add some greenery to your space. Wall art. Finally, wall art is another great option if you're looking to add some personality to your kitchen walls. You can choose to use large pieces of art or even create a gallery wall using smaller pieces of art. Just make sure that the art you choose complements the rest of your kitchen decor. That's it for today's video on modern kitchen wall decor ideas. We hope that you found these ideas helpful and that you're inspired to try some of them out in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video.